Hi, hello, namaskara, Ankita.
Hi Rajni Akka, how are you?
I am good. How are you doing?
Super ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Super agidya. So today, we wanted to have a conversation with you from the beginning. So let's begin. First things first. Can you just tell us a little about your childhood? ನೀವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಜಾಗ. And then how was your childhood? Where did you do your schooling? And I think, lot many people know that you're just a Bengali, but nobody knows, as to exactly what was your childhood like. Were you actually born there in the city of joy?
I was born in Noida, Delhi, and my parents' names are Shri Amitabha Kundu,
Acha ji.
Shrimati Surashri Chakraborty Kundu.
Vareva.
So I was born in Delhi to Bengali parents in the year 2002, and then for a few years I was like an infant. मुझे याद भी नहीं. I don't even remember. Maybe a couple of months or maybe a year in Kolkata, a little bit in Hyderabad, and then in Bengaluru. After dad got a job here, and then 2006, Baldwin Girls High School came into my life.
Acha ji.
Richmond circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ. ಸೊ ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಬಾಲ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ was the kind of school where I couldn't focus much into the music.
Academics.
Only academics.
Acha,
Only academics. Though I started by the age of 3.5, 2 to 3.5 as mom says, because mom's lineage is artists, master degree holders, double master degree holders, and she's done physics honors and was a Kathak dancer herself. So my mornings would be the food and had to be involved with music. If music stops, my eating stops.
Acha.
Yeah. She's told that I don't even remember stuff, but
course, yeah.
she. And at that point, both my parents were working. Andre Amma was working for Oracle. I still remember as a kid, the entire family would come to drop her for her PMP training, project management training. She used to project management train people. So she was equally mostly invested in me, because she's like, nahi, isme hai, kuch hai.
If you have started singing, then probably they have all realized,
Not just that, Mama had done a Hindustani Visharad.
Acha ji, हाँ.
So ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ तो क्या हुआ कि she couldn't continue because then the pressure pops in. Monetary, survival, everything. I mean, there were, of course, much before I coming in, that self-built, self-sufficient, the terms come in, because you're not dependent even on the partner also. Our level ke bantu. But when she found the love of her life, which is my dad, it became easier for her. I felt she found the peace, and then blessed with 2 kids. So balancing everything out was easier for her because Baba was around.
So what's the age difference between the two of you, Ankita?
Me and Shalini?
Yes.
Just a year.
Just a year. Acha ji. What does she do?
She is now currently working at a company in Pune.
Acha.
And we are poles apart. I am the blabbering.com. She is the silent killer. She will give those bombs at its best. I don't. Me and my mom are in the same category. Baba and Shalini are in the same category.
So then, when actually your mom realized that you started singing by at the age of about 3 years, did you actually start your formal training by then, or did you take some time to get into this? How did the singing career start off? Because from now on, I would just want to concentrate upon your singing. Career. Yes. So
I think as far as my memory recalls, my uncle Shri Arun Kumar Chakraborty, who was the direct disciple of Ustad Amir Khan Sahab from the Indore Gharana. He was the founder of Indore Gharana, Ustad Amir Khan Sahab. So my uncle had done, हम वो शब्द यूज करते तालिम, tutelage. I was 3.5, 4, मुझे भी याद है. Harmonium in the house, and I would sit on his godi and he would make me sing the 7 notes. It was very easy for me to pick up Touchwood. And he has a son who equally sings amazing, my dada, Shonak Da. But he wasn't given that much attention as much as his Bhagni was given the attention.
Hmm.
So Bhagni was given full attention, not just attention, at full. Mane, he used to stay in Kolkata and we had already shifted to Bangalore by then. So academics, sab ek saath. And the kind of girl I was, I never bothered about homework or anything. I'm like, Bada Mama, let's sit. When phone calls me hota tha, wo button, Nokia phone wala button, laal wala jo button hai, and the bluish wala jo button aata tha. That same, and he would understand the frequencies, the resonances, the fact when I would start singing sa itself. He's like, why aren't you singing from the diaphragm? I don't know what his ears were made of, but his ears were severely sharp, and to the fact he made his sister andre nan ammange my mom's ears got even more sharper. We're like, why is the sa not coming out from there? You're taught that sa, sing that sa. So it took years from there. Then he made me realize the benefits, and it's only beneficial. There's nothing else. Diaphragm singing is just beneficial. So when the right techniques are taught, right techniques come from right guru.
Correct.
So touch wood, I am very, very, very blessed. Very patient. He was very patient with me. I was his buttle like pur. I wouldn't sit in one place. Concentration zero. So that slowly I think came into place after the age of 7, 8, 9 ke baad thoda. Because then different techniques were taught. Matlab, I still remember we are walking in the house and he's singing in the swaras of that raga. For example, Gurjori Todi. There is this beautiful bandish, Delhi 6 mein. Shreya Ghoshal ji and Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan sahab ka to purana bandish hai. She sang along. That is Gurjori Todi raga. That was a gift on my 9th birthday. I think 8th or 9th birthday. Abhi bhi yaad hai. चल के फिर के गाते थे. He's like, you can stand and sing also. You can walk and sing also. You just need to use this guy. Just sing. ऐसा भी हुआ है कि during my nap time, that was, I would snuggle next to him, and he's like, सो के भी गा सकते हो. And सो के गा के वाला training भी दिए हैं. मैंने there's a technique for it. He made me lie down on the bed, and he was next to me, and then he's like, now you sing Alankara. Your tans, हम तान बोलते हैं हमारे terminology में. So I was about 7, 8, 9 around when he started giving that. Full-fledged. And it's not like 1-2 hours. So schedule was like this. सुबह 6 बजे उठो, 6 से 9, फिर 10 से 2, फिर 2 से 4, 5 was just that break of eating and sleeping. And Mama wasn't at home because she was like, nah, Dada ache, it's fine. Dada will take care.
And he made it such a happy learning process. No?
Absolutely.
I mean, see, imagine if you actually impose the same curriculum to somebody today. I don't think, they'd really enjoy it. But I think he made it such a enjoyable process also for you to do it the way you wanted to do it. And then he came your way and then made it enjoyable. I think hats off to the gentleman.
So, especially during the festivals, Durga Puja के बाद very important festival is Lakshmi Puja. So around उस time में we would intentionally take a break from school because first of all वो academics यहाँ पे नहीं रहता है. ಹಿಂಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಂತ ಆ ಸಾವಾಸನೂ ಬೇಡ. We didn't want it. That's a relief. That place is Kolkata. I think it just depends. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರು is ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So first thing I would enter into my Bodomashi's house, which is the Mambadi, the main headquarters of Chakraborty family. I would ask, where is Bodo Mama? In Bengali, I would say, Bodo Mama kothay. I wouldn't even say hi, hello to anyone. I mean, Bodo Mama kothay, kidhar hai? And सारे पूजा या पूजा चल रहा है, whatever it's nearing and all that stuff, he would say, चल घर चलते हैं, I'll feed you. We'll also sit for riyaz. His main goal was कि diaphragm technique बैठाना है इसको, and no matter what kind of situations I come, emotionally I am not okay or I've had one of those rough days, anything, end of the day आके अपना कर्म निभाना है, that is your riyaz. तानपुरा नहीं छोड़ने का. And speaking of Tanpura, I think Ma and Baba happened to courier Tanpura from Kolkata. Manoj Kumar, Sardar and brothers. Tanpura also has 2 categories. There's a male and a female Tanpura.
अच्छा जी.
Female Tanpura. मैं 20 scale, A sharp 20 scale में गाती हूँ. तो Bodo Mama got it. And I was still asleep. Trolley का कुछ एक आवाज आया. I'm like, कोई आया है क्या, कोई गिफ्ट लेके आया है, लाइक वैसे वाला जो एज अ किड लाइक you're excited, like छोटा छोटा चीज also makes you happy. And I see this huge box. I'm like, is it what I'm thinking it is? He's like, हाँ खोलो तानपुरा है. And guess what, ये सांझ around 6:37, it's already gotten dark. He said, I'm switching. He tuned in. I was just watching like this, like a babe, like a kid who's going to Disney, like, I'm looking at it. It's amazing. It's
I
cute.
know.
He's tuning it, and it's very, very tough to tune because agar string ek bar phata, you have to again put it, again fix it and all that stuff. You have to then know what is the strength or that capacity the string can take for it to tune. He's tuning it, hang anta na nota idini, and then he goes, I'm switching the lights off. Play the strings without seeing the string.
Oh my God.
Yeah, play the string without seeing it. 45 minutes to an hour I sat and I was like, ye kya hai? And I'm just playing it like that and it's slipping. He's like, haath kyun phisal raha hai? Play again. And he doesn't need to say it in that phone voice. He's like, bhai, play again. Play again. Raat 8 baje tak gaya. Okay. Agar 7:15 nahi. Paune 7, 6:37, if the tuning is done, for almost an hour I was just there in that room playing it. Pa sa 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 pa sa. I think we were singing Yaman that day, if I'm not wrong. And then he switches on the lights, and then he's like, this is the one thing you need to know the frequency with. Your pitch and your resonance has to match with this, which will take a very long time. I still feel my sa isn't that great. Sa gati, it feels like what sa is this anta? Because that sa, that there's this 0.0 frequency. If you go to a minus note, it's a flat. If you go to a plus note, it's sharp. Both are wrong. You have to be in zero. How will you come into that? So it was rigorous training, but it didn't feel rigorous for me. It was amazing.
I mean, it's such a beautiful way of, exposing you to the fine blend of music.
बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
And with love.
बस
With love.
बस.
And I think for a child, that's what she needs.
Amazing. नहीं, the fact that when you fall in love with that, no, when you surrender, when you just, like, to me, he was everything. I'm like, Bada Mama, you know the best, you do.
Yeah.
And with the lungs and the chest congestion, hoke bhi he would sing. He sounded like a 30-year-old. He was 62 when he started teaching me.
My God.
Yeah, he sounded like a wild 30-year-old, like ekdam roaring, mane he matlab duniya ukhad dega types. But with that calmness and everything. Crazy. I've never seen a man of that caliber.
But after that, did you have to undergo training for music and
further? Yes, I lost him in the year 2013, and first competition, that was 2012, before 2013 pops in, midway of 2012, I was in Delhi. Sangam Kala karke, there was this competition, the name of the competition, wahan pe jaake you have to do your rounds and everything, and that was kind of a ticket to Saregama National. That's how Sunidhi Chauhan, Shreya ji got into. I went there and I sung राग मांड का केसरिया जी के तुमसे बैठ के he's like के तुमसे ला, that,
my goodness,
that he made me sing 2 hours 3 hours. What, I was 10 years old. I didn't care. I want that perfection. He's like, नहीं आ रहा है फिर से गाओ, नहीं आ रहा है फिर से गाओ, घर में, फोन पे, दिल्ली में, होटल में बैठ के सब. And ऐसा है कि we didn't have that privilege of having the rooms and all. ढूंढना पड़ता था. And where the contestants were given room, and my uncle had come there too. We had to take in a toto, go there, I would spend time with him. फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I wanted to just be around him and sing. Bus. I reached semi-finale. I sung the same song. I had an option that I could sing the same song. I sung it. I was disqualified. I didn't go to the finals. And उसी रात को या next दिन शाम को, before we came back to Bangalore and he was on the way to Kolkata, he said, that was one of the most beautiful diaphragmatic singing you've ever done. Don't stop. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So I don't want anything from him. I just want to hear that. He's like, no, I still did not find it good enough. You're going to again sing that. We're going to sit for ragas. Ragas छोड़ो, फिर ठुमरी आया, भजन आया, everything. So I still have that book with me where he would write it. And I was too young to hold a pen. Let's say 5, 6. Uske baad I would write, but usse pehle he would take the book, write it and all that stuff. Abhi bhi I made sure I bind the book. It's still there with me. And December around, he was supposed to travel to some place for some work. November के end में I had learned Chandrakans. There's a raga called Chandrakans. Raat ka raga. Sa ga ma dha ni sa ni da ma ga sa. The sibling of it is Malkauns. Sa ga ma dha ni sa ni da ni no ni ne. Malkauns is Hindola in Carnatic. Uska sibling I had learned that sibling raga which is Chandrakans. December around, the last ever raga that was taught by him was Bihag. I have resentment on that raga. I said that is the raga that took my uncle away. It's been ages since I have touched that raga. It's not like I don't like the raga, but that raga gives me the
It reminds you of
the memories.
pain.
Yeah, pain, pure pain. The raga is not painful, but the memories associated with the raga is painful. Us raat ko when he was about to sleep or something, he got a stroke. I think a brain stroke or something. Okay, next then my Bodomashi calls up mum and she goes saying Dada ICU the. And at that point I was in another competition and I came back and I did not win the another competition. That was Voice of Viva by Vibgyor High School. Finished up everything. He knew. I had sung songs of Usha Uttup ji ka Kya khushi kya gham jab tak hai dam mein dam Hare Rama Hare Krishna. That song. वो गा के आई मैं वहाँ से. First of all, my mom was flabbergasted that I could sing. Second, that kind of genre, because wo voice wasn't developed to sing that kind of thing. Second thing is she was afraid that what if Dada says something? Dada, she's got into another competition, but she sang these kind of songs. He goes, ठीक है, अच्छा ही तो है, क्या है उसमें? क्या है उसमें? गाने दो उसे. गाना ही तो है, गाने दो. This is weeks before his passing away. Bihag ka hua, and then he's in ICU, and then mama, I cried my lungs out. I remember I said, मुझे बड़ मामा को देखना है. He's like, no, I wanted to have that memory of you seeing, and we used to do video calls through Skype. Distance के वजह से. उस वक्त Skype आ गया था, तो we used to do, and he could, I told you, his ears were whole different joy. Bihag सिखा रहे. And that is my training of Vilambit Laya. Talim. Vilambit is the slow Vistara. One ताला रहते, for example एक ताल, उसको एकदम 16 BPM में या 13 BPM में you have to sing the bandish, but you have to come to the point. It's maths, it's complete maths. तो उसका ट्रेनिंग तब भी baby steps started. I don't know, भगवान का अगर था, ठीक है. Even I can't say. And I got to know the news weeks later that he's not there.
They didn't inform you.
No, Mama didn't want to tell me because Mama was trying to get over it. January 1st he passed away. Yeah. And I got the news 8th or 9th of January. बताया नहीं. Dadu got to know. Everyone knew except me, because everyone also knew how attached I was to him. And then I think it was मुझे गाना छोड़ने का फिर वो एक आ गया था. I don't want to sing. उनके बिना रहा नहीं जाता ना. No, Sa also starts with him. Sa also has ended with him. In that,
It is heavy.
Very heavy.
It is.
This was the 13th year. October 16th was every single year of it. I would say happy birthday. Every single landline ho ki phone ho, would call him. I would say, when are you coming to Bangalore? And I feel he shouldn't have stopped that treatment. He was doing in a treatment. He got much better. Vellorally he was doing the treatment for his lungs. Disciplined, nothing. Daru, smoking, nothing. Muttela manusya, nothing. He was healthy as anything. तगड़ा करके खाते थे. कितना खाते थे भाई. And fit as anything. Nothing else. I don't know. I mean, I think it was just this. It was just that.
I think
You
yeah,
can't stop.
you
Nobody can stop.
yes.
So, but post that, 2013 midway or 14 midway, fate made me bump into Pandit Harikishan Pahwa.
Mm-hmm.
He was 85
Mm.
by the time I started learning from him. His entire 60, nahi, 160, 100, 200, 300 books pakad lo. He has written all in Urdu.
Oh my God, huh?
All in Urdu. Because his entire family escaped from Lahore to India in the 50s.
Mm.
Punjab se hai.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Punjab, ekdam.
Mm-hmm.
And he heard the, the singing techniques that I had. And then he says, aap Urdu seekh lo.
Mm-hmm.
So I learned Urdu under him. Through ghazals and
Yeah.
bhajans. Semi-classical was more
Mm.
evident under his direction, under his guidance.
Mm.
I won't say, because it's Guru, I can't, I mean, I don't even want to. Border Mama was a whole different joy. But then this also had a whole different connection. Arey, ek shabd galat.
Mm.
Bhai Saab. You see the mat there? That midway of that mat till here was the size of the chord scale.
Mm-hmm.
So if I would say gaur instead of gaur,
Mm-hmm.
one look and one rappanta. Kodala, but that dhamki, that eyes were enough. I'm like, sorry. Sorry, kya hai, kaan pakdo. And so, the thing of kaan pakadna is because he's your guru. You're taking his name just like that.
Uh-huh.
Or anyone. Mane, Pandit D.V. Paluskar bhi aise karte hai, Pandit Ravi Shankar bhi aise karte hai, because it's a big,
Respect.
not just a big name. गुरु है.
Respect
में एक ट्रेडिशन हो जाता है कि कान पकड़ के ही बताना पड़ता है. अपने गुरु का तो नाम वैसे लेना ही पड़ता है. कान पकड़ के करना पड़ता है. Because taking your guru's name, you need to think 15 times before saying that. So that was taught by him. कि this is the tradition.
Oh, I didn't even know. Thanks for actually, enlightening us about this, because I really thought, it's just customary that everybody,
Arundhati Vasishtha Avre actually told me this.
Acha,
Yeah.
okay.
She gave me the meaning of it. मैं पूछी कान क्यों पकड़ते हैं? मुझे बहुत दिन पहले बताया गया था, बट कान क्यों पकड़ते हैं? इसलिए गुरु जी का नाम जब आप लेते हो, it's a very big thing in the art form. Could be dance, could be acting, could be singing.
You're partly representing him also.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because उर्दू में बोलते थे हमारे शागिर्द है. It means a lot. It means a lot. And whenever I would sing, his entire attention was on the artist or the student. And expectation तो बढ़ ही जाता है. You can't go even 0.1% low. 5 तो छोड़ दो, 1 भी नहीं जा सकते हो. He goes at technicality with expressions, and Urdu is so expressive. Ghazals itself is so expressive. He wanted the best.
It's so amazing, Ankita, how from a Bengali family you picked up, Urdu as a language, and then living in Bangalore, and then you picked up even Kannada language. And I think you are at ease to sing in so many languages. I mean, it's just so incredible. Such an incredible talent that, you're able to pick up even the linguistics, which is not everybody's cup of tea, definitely.
छोटे उम्र में कर ही देते. It just happens. No, when you like something, you will be more inclined towards it. I forgot to mention, my dad, he had got this Sony का tape, that huge tape that would come, like a recorder taping, cassettes उस वक्त चलते थे. And Kannada to came much later in my life, that we will talk definitely. But Kannada songs, I would hear it by the age of 6-7. And then you have Minchagi Neenu Baralu. And what else is there? Yaru Kandalle. Those songs would come in your 91.1 and all that stuff. So गाना तो बजता रहता था, हम तो सुनते रहते थे. It's not like I didn't know Kannada songs. Of course I knew. But how to pronounce it?
Because for a Bengali, first of all, her expression of sound is so different. है ना?
Mamma's is परीच्छन्न बांग्ला, माने proper बांग्ला. Because 30 साल तो वहाँ पे बीत गया ना. बीत गया पूरा का पूरा. बाबा is all rounder. So उनका हिंदी is very, very बहुत तगड़ा है, उनका हिंदी बहुत तगड़ा है, बिकॉज दादू हैड सर्व्ड इन द आर्मी for 28 years, so he has to be linguistic, so dad does understand quite a lot of the languages on the northern side. तो हिंदी became very easier for me. हिंदी के गाने, हिंदी के हिंदुस्तानी itself, पुराना भाषा होके भी, इवन इफ इट्स नॉट द पॉलिश्ड हिंदी, माने द हिंदी दैट वी टॉक, आम भाषा में जो बात करते, इट्स द ट्रेडिशनल और द एंशियंट, यू नो, द थिंग इन इट. It was so easy for me to pick it up. गजल हो, उर्दू हो, जो भी हो, end of the day हिंदी तो है, तो then it got easy for me. And then कान खुला रहता है, it's always open, it's never shut. The artist can't have their ears closed. So when you like any music is a universal language.
Correct.
For a non-musician or a musician, you will like it. End of the day, गाना बैठ जाएगा.
Everybody might say that, you know, I am able to sing in many languages, but do you really understand the essence of that language or the essence of the lyric behind it for you to express it also the way probably you're expressing it? I think, you know, it comes from that kind of a teaching that you had from your guru,
Not just
about
that.
Urdu or Hindi or Bengali.
If you're not a romantic, you can't even produce your art. Trust me, you can't. You can't. And number two, when you see पुराने ज़माने के अच्छा जी मैं हरे was there any visuals? I don't think so. There were no visuals. They had to imagine it.
After that, did you have any other gurus that you
Oh
had?
yes. Without a miss, Shri Rajan Nagendra, Pandit Iman Das. Shri Rajan Nagendra came in.
What
Actually,
was your experience with him?
Oh my God.
See, they say that, you know, Rajan Nagendra songs are all so similar sounding anta, but I don't think so. I mean, every time you sing it, I think it has its own
Because we bring our twists in it.
I mean, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋದು. I think, you know, it's special in its own way. Again,
I
each
think
one
everyone knows
has-
he hails originally from Andhra. Mother tongue is Telugu. But coming all the way here and producing the best,
Yes.
lifting the best, that is none other than Dr. SPB. That was Dr. SPB was a right hand for my guru, without a miss. And Rajan sir had all the guts to ask Dr. Rajkumar sir to do takes innu vanda because no other music director had it.
अच्छा जी.
That's what I have heard. एक टेक में हाँ ठीक है बस, राजन सर would say और एक टेक करना ही है, और सारे रील खत्म ही कर देते फिर. You know, to ask Dr. Rajkumar Avro.
How different was it to learn under Rajan sir? I mean, all these
Initially
things
it was
are
like,
technically,
okay.
academically oriented, I'd say, like
Oh, strict. I had to stay
classical
silent.
version of it.
I had
But
to
then,
stay
you know, to
silent
have that
all
shift
the time.
from that to this.
All the time silent.
Huh?
All the time silent. एक measurement था बात करना. I would sit here, he was there. Exactly. The room entering like this. Harmonium. Sa. C is a universal scale in music. Ab gao. Voice culturing and vox therapy is so important for an artist. By chance अगर रियाज नहीं हुआ आपका, these vocal warm-ups is one of the best medicines. It's just like weather में first क्या करना है, कषाय कुಡಿಬೇಕು, steam ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, लवंग अंदर डाल दो, like suck out the juices so that even though I know it tastes a little like wasabi tara, but it'll be the best outcome. Exactly. That is exactly that. Voice culturing is exactly that. Sa ga pa sa ga pa. So the positioning, how do you sing ahs and the oos, the vowels, he's taught all that. How to bring the sargam at crystal clear, that you're saying sare gama, saga rema, re sagama, rega sama, ga sa rema, ga re sama, all that. Because we do rap, we know that we do rap. Hindustani, we do rap. Carnatic people do rap, we do rap. So the clarity, coming back to the clarity he's taught. And Rajan sir made me fall in love with Kannada even more. Naguva Nayana, I'd taken the lyrics, it was in English. He gave me a tip there and there itself. The hu male la ko, you keep it as a capital L. And Hardy or Kuniyana, the Ns or the Ds, whatever it is, all the capital, sab capital rakh do. It'll be easier for you.
How sweet.
Just keep it capital. Ashte. Nothing else. There is no maths here. Just keep it capital. And then you put your essence. वो बताना भी नहीं पड़ता था. He knows.
I think this makes it so easier for the listeners, to now write it down the way
Whoever
that...
is getting into the basics of Kannada, no, watch Dr. Rajkumar movies also. Because post 8th standard, that's what I did.
No, but for singers,
Kutu,
I think,
kutu.
who struggle to actually differentiate between, la, la,
Ls
ta,
and
da, ta, da.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. La, la, lu, alla. Mane, you're singing, you sing Rag Des, but then you portray Khamaj. It is like that.
Got you.
Uska essence ही अलग है. It's so much. Kannada is very easy. It's really easy. It's not tough. I learnt it the hard way. Good only.
Yeah,
Rajan sir made a huge difference in my life. And I happened to share my birthday with him as well.
Acha ji.
14th, 15th, 16th birthday were on stages only.
Huh.
Yeah.
Super.
I was
Blessed.
And
Blessed.
that is the place. My 14th birthday, that was the first time I got to see Dr. SPB
Acha.
in Dayanand Sagar idu college. That is your Kumarswamy layout.
Dayanand
Ali.
Sagar Auditorium, yeah.
Ali. My hands were shaking when I touched his feet. And he doesn't like people touching his feet, but I still did. Kara 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 anta it was sama. I still remember that. And I think Rajan sir saw that I like taking things seriously when it comes to my art form. And he was 83, 84 when I started learning under him.
Yeah.
Coming back, last but not the least, Pandit Iman Das. So I happened to learn two styles of gharanas. One is Indore, one is Patiala Gharana.
Whatever.
Patiala Gharana is Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab, Pandit Ajay Chakraborty, Kaushik Chakraborty's lineage. The Gharana style lineage. And Pandit Iman Das ji, I met him in the year 2018 in a place called Atta Galata, Kormangla. So there was, we have, just the way you have Ugadi, we have something called Nobo Borsho. That happens in the month of April. March and April midway, April first week midway it happens. Alli ne bheti aitu first. And July, I remember it was in the month of July. That was post the New Year celebration that I was invited to. So then I realized the Alankara Tans of Indore Gharana and Patiala are quite similar. Not that similar, but so it was easier for me to pick up. And Iman Das ji is the kind of person who is, again, I felt it felt like the connection of Bodamama's tutelage. Very patient. He would say 2 hours per session, but we would go for 4-5 hours of sadhana.
My God.
Yeah. Yeah. And I still remember having my first ever classical concert in the month of May of 2019. May 9th or 10th, I remember. And I had sung Rag Maru Bihag. You are sitting in the center of the stage. You have in a tablist and harmonium is played by your guru. Phatke haath mein char bhoi. I didn't have my heart existing then. My soul was running out of gas inside me. It's crazy. And then even better, or I don't know how to, it is equally nervous and yet the excitement. Rajan Nagendra sir bandru to the concert.
Oh my God, huh?
I was like, bro, okay. Psych. But my Maru Bihag sounded like Yaman in nervousness. Because then backstage he's like, I call him as Kaku. I said, Kaku, hinga aitu anta. He's like, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಮನ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ತರ ಬಂತು. You know how embarrassing that is. You're like, you want to sing Maru Bihag, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ರಾಗ ಬಂತು. I'm like, sorry, we'll work on this. He's like, we'll work on this. He reassures very well.
I think that's important.
He's the kind of the musician who sees potentials in people who actually take their art form very seriously. That's Pandit Iman Das.
Yes.
That is him. And he's full, and he's very open-minded when it comes to bringing in different styles of music. Any style. any style.
When
He's-
you have actually practiced so much of this classical learnings, I would say.
sadhana, yes, riyaz.
Yeah. For you to shift to the playback singing, was it difficult? Because I think
Yeah,
it's,
it was.
Huh?
Initially as a kid, yeah, because I started singing Bijli Girane. I used to sing that as a kid, okay.
Uh-huh.
And then my uncle is like, thoda aur kabu mein leke aana padega. Then you have to differentiate it. It's like my marriage life and my professional life. 50-50 karo. I'm not married yet, but still. At 50-50. Where wife is the wife and Ankita is Ankita on stage. So enhancing Shri Devi, you kind of thinking you can do backing vocals for Shri Devi.
There is this kind of a belief that you know people who do a lot of Carnatic or Hindustani sadhana cannot really be successful in this kind of a playback light
I have
film
examples for you.
songs antala.
I have examples for you. Ustad Rashid Khan ji.
So I was asking you
Kaushiki
because
Chakraborty ji.
for you from your very beginning you have been instilled with this kind of a technical training of Hindustani
Yes.
and then I think every cell of your body would have now taken that, I mean absorbed that.
Of
So
course.
now for you to forget that little part of it and to get light on the film music would have been another task to also
Not
achieve,
really.
right?
That is the best part. Right, Guru. When there's a composition of Madan Mohan ji. More naina bahai neer. This sounds classical. The one advice that I get from my guru or my gurus is, don't make it classical. Make it romantic. Make that punch. Bring that romance. You gotta nourish that song. It's a song. It's not a bandish.
You are what you are because of all these, I think, tips from your gurus and also equal hard work, Ankita. Truly.
You're being too
when
kind.
I listen to you, what I find a speciality anta ansiddu antandre in singing alli, you're very melodious. But at the same time, it has that kind of intensity with which you sing. I mean,
all the
melodious
nuance.
adaga, you can just easily escape into that mode of, being very soft and not be audible with just the air sometimes being passed off in your vocals. ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಮೆಲಡಿ ತರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬ ಒಂಥರ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಿ ಲೌಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಆ ಥರ. ಬಟ್ ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆಲಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಯು ರಿಯಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಟ್.
Guruji, it's all the gurus. It's only the gurus and only sadhana. Sadhana is the only thing. Imagine Lata ji has taken training under Ustad Amir Khan sahab. Ab socha, how does she balance?
It doesn't sound like you are only singing something casual. It doesn't sound like you're singing something only classical.
It's the same thing with her only also, no? But in like 1000x better.
Who?
Lata ji.
Lata ji
has taken training from Ustad Amir Khan sahab.
Achha.
Was a direct disciple. Yes. So the rule was, he said, 1 साल के लिए आप मौन व्रत रहोगे. So अभी भी वो जो letters लिखी थी as communication, I think अभी भी पढ़े. That's what I've heard. ऐसे air में जो बातें आते हैं. The most important thing that came into my life is a guitar. That also has its own story. I'll brief it out. Kolkata, there is a place where, guitar is really, really, really most ordered from. The Bengalis know it quite well. I got to know it once I had visited years ago, I think 2013-14 around. My first ever album song, Megher Phake, the album, music director Amit Shur. He had taken me and mum there to see the guitars. That's where he gets his guitars. He said, I think you should start taking guitar a little seriously. And around that time, I happened to start taking my tutelage under Hari Babu, Hari sir. Hari music class, which is here in Bengaluru. He used to come to our apartment in the clubhouse. I had few students, one among them was me. And I've never liked the guitar because the process is painful. The fingers, they go numb. You can't even feel them. But on a certain day, somehow, I fell in love with it. I took guitar a little bit more seriously. And not a single day that it has been that I have, had the voice along with it. It just gives such a beautiful company, the joy, the therapy, that unpaid therapy at its best. So,
Yes.
shout out, a big thank you, and my namaskaras to Hari sir.
By the way, who has been your...
Oh, Marilyn Monroe, any day. That woman, any day. She's the second woman in the entire world having her own library in her house. Knowing the best of the best, singing the best of the best, and those guys are built different. One kayali champagne, one kayali cigar, but still they produce good music. But I think if jazz comes in, she was the queen of jazz is Billie Holiday. She's an Afro-American. Afro-Americans are the ones who gave birth to jazz in a place called New Orleans. You listen to them and then you start listening to the other legends who were more defined, like Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, Elvis Presley, who was known for love ballads. But when you start listening to the Afro-Americans, they're whole different. That's where I think the perspective of music for me also changed so much. The broad-minded, the open-mindedness to fall in love with yourself and fall in love with different genres became so much easier. So her being her is the biggest take for me from her as a musician as well. Though people see her as a model, as an actress. You hear her music, it's a whole different energy altogether.
So when did you actually seriously start off this playback singing?
2015.
2015.
Zee Kannada changed everything.
So prior to that, you were a part of this reality show where you became
Indian
really,
Idol.
really, really popular because I think you were on the national television as well. And
Rising Star 2018.
So Shankar Mahadevan sir
Yes.
showed one.
I hope you remember me, sir. Hi.
So can you just take us through your reality show's tenure?
Speaking of that, I'll bring the Kannada with the reality show.
Yeah.
Kannada came in 2013. Usse pehle no Kannada. 2013, Ka Kha Ga Gha comes in. Ka Gunita comes in. All that. I was a Just Pass student in Kannada. I've said this in many podcasts. I'll say this again today. I am a Just Pass. I didn't know. I just didn't know. Other than the music involved. 2015 when Zee Kannada, that was all of a random. That is post Indian Idol ka top 40 ka elimination, and my birthday, 13th birthday just got over, and June 1st week I get a call saying, can you bring your daughter tomorrow for an audition? Tomorrow माने 3rd of June के रात को फोन करके बता रहे कल लेके आ जाओ भाई. I just said, पगला गए हो, मतलब मुझे गाना पता नहीं क्या गाऊंगी मैं भाई, यार मेरे पे रहम करो यार, अभी कंपटीशन खत्म करके आई हूँ यार, रहम करो यार. Me and my mom had an argument. हम तो started करेंगे, मेरी लाइफ इतनी खराब है वाला, that Kangana Ranaut scene, but वो अलग ही है, but that was the feeling from inside. Okay, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಹಾಡು ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಹೇಳೆ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಹಿಂಪಾಗಲ ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು. रात के 3 बजे तक I sat. I said, I'm bunking school tomorrow. If you're making me sit till 3 o'clock, making me sing all this, I am not going to school and then coming back and then going to the audition place and then singing and all that stuff. ನಾನು ಎಂಥದ್ದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆಡಿಷನ್, June 4th or somewhere around. You might know the actress Varsha from Nenapirali. She was the executive producer or some assistant, or I don't remember, but on a high position in Zee Kannada then. गाया मैंने. They asked me to sing Hindi songs.
अच्छा, हाँ.
बेरी पिया बड़ा भेद मुझे रंग दे, I sang. I see पानी आ रहा है आँख से उनका, मुझे अभी भी याद है. I didn't say a word. I just kept quiet. I'm like just ही अंता. I'm just smiling. I'm like भाई अपना काम खत्म करके निकलो बस. Audition आई तो अम्मा sees me coming out from the room and she's like, की होलो, क्या हुआ like, मम्मा एंकर रोने लगी. शी इज लाइक, हैं ऐसे. हाँ, खुशी का आंसू की क्या आंसू, मुझे क्या मालूम भाई, रोने लगी बस. मुझे क्या मालूम. ना कर्तव्य निभा के हम बाहर निकल गए बस. 2 दिन के बाद दे लाइक, योर डॉटर सेलेक्टेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड, प्लीज ब्रिंग हर. अभया नायडू स्टूडियो ओनली, second round audition. Mentor is Supriya Raghunandan, and still my favorite. Shout out to her. She enhanced my Kannada, the love for it even more. क्योंकि बैठ के
she's one amazing artist. Yes,
amazing.
I have worked with her.
Words, the letters also of it included. Mane, you have to say it that way itself. There is no other go. Fighting for the songs. We had to fight for songs in Zee. We had to sing good numbers, boy. Post with the song, selection of songs. And I want to thank some of the Saptaswaranjali students, Rajan sir students who were, I'm not going to name them, but shout out to them. I hope you're seeing this. They would text my mom saying, these are the songs. Ask her, she can learn this, she could nail this song. One among them is O Meghave.
What a song.
अभी भी याद है, सुबह के 5 बजे would wake up just to sing Seri ko.
Oh,
That.
Just
that,
you know,
just that portion,
felt
just
like,
that
you know,
portion.
Every time I listen
Bariya
to that.
portion ho. Guru, I would see Swarga in all different levels, okay?
Yes.
Vaikunta only I would see direct. I'm like, if either I see that or I see Yamraj's gates, you decide. When I get to know Hamsalekha sir, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಶೂಟ್ಗೆ. I said, Guru. And there are murkhis in almost every song. ಈ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ there's everything. मूर्खी भी डाल रहे हो, वर्ड्स भी ऐसे है, एक्सप्रेशन भी देना है, रोमांस
भी दिखाना है.
भाई दुर्गा देवी का हाथ से भी एक्स्ट्रा है भाई. मैंने ये क्या है भाई. And then I sung it. I get a full-fledged 30 out of 30. And Hamsalekha sir goes saying this. SPB ಅವರು ಹಾಡಿ ಹೊರಟ್ರು, ಚಿತ್ರಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಬಂದರು, ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್. ಶಿ herself said that, it seems Hamsalekha sir said them, but Chitrama is there bro. She's there. We are not even like बाल के बांका तक भी नहीं है भाई. She can say that because it's her. I don't have the guts to say that also. It's a song I have to deliver, whether reality show or a stage show, I will deliver. Ashte. And I'd seen a few ups and downs, as you know, with the Kannada, with the conversing of Kannada, because half of the things I couldn't understand. My entire family, I myself struggled in the set. Shout out to not only Supriya Akka but also Sachin Prakash. Sachin Prakash sir has उनका हिंदी भी बहुत अच्छा, because it was so easier for me to converse with him, to talk to him. And he's also one among those people who made me understand Kannada a bit better than you know, as the days went by, the 6 months that went by. Finale was one of my favorite days. It's not about winning or losing. 10 ವರ್ಷ 11 ವರ್ಷ 12 ವರ್ಷ or 25 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಲಿ, it will be a memorable day for me, because I was happy for Supriya that she won. She deserved it.
Supriya Joshi.
Yes. I'm very happy that she won. She was an equal competitor. Takkar hai, mast takkar. I loved that. It's just like Cars of Disney. That is Lightning McQueen and Mater. That healthy bond. We had no grudges or any grudge is a very strong word. We had no dislike, nothing.
Super.
We were just in the friendly mode of it, and that was amazing. I was happy with her songs. I was in awe listening to her, and always have been. Finale mein shaam ke 6 baje it starts. The finale starts live, ended next day morning 6.
My goodness.
So my second round song was at 4 a.m. in the morning. Thanks to a lot of beautiful people in my life at the present state. Discipline is a very very hard hitting word. उस आदमी से मिलना भी है ना. Even today for the podcast, 11 बजे निकले या 11 बज के 5 मिनट पहले, I said 11, 20, 25 पहुंचना है, 26 I'm in your place. People
yes.
make a lot of difference, Akka.
Ankita, ivaga from there to, you know, actually going behind the mic in the walls of the studios, you know, you have sung for so many music directors.
My favorite is Arjun Janya sir. I'm very grateful to him.
Yeah.
My first ever movie song was under him. Rishabh
I
Shetty
think
and
I've heard
Haripriya.
from a lot of people that, you know, he generally, you know, whoever he taps as a talent in the reality show also, he actually bari maatigalla but karya ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. I mean, that's really amazing. I mean, if he means it, he does it ಅಂತ is what I have heard also.
So Arjun sir, in the year 2015, Zee Kannada, I think the second or the third episode itself, he said, you know, there's a movie song ide, come and sing anta banni haadi. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಗುರು.
Which are the other music directors that you have sung for, Ankita?
I would say ವಿ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಸಾಂಬ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್, ಅನೂಪ್ ಸೀಲನ್ ಸರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಂಸಲೇಖ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಬಾಸುತ್ಕರ್, ಸುಮಾರ್. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್.
There are so many, actually directors, music directors that you have worked with, Ankita. I'm sure each one is unique and special in their own way. I'm sure, you can't put anyone above another, or I mean,
They're unique. They're unique.
They're unique and
you're
they are
right.
special in their own ways. But who is the person that you would have loved to actually sing alongside the male co-singer? I mean,
In the music directors mein?
No, in the
Artists.
artists.
Shri Harsha Dhwani any day.
Yeah.
That man any day. Hi. Any day.
Even he shares the same sentiment, actually.
ಸಿಂಗಪುರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಮಚ್ಚಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಹಮ್ಕೋ ತುಮ್ಕೋ. So he made a parody of that song also. Humko dumko gelko kaiko, it seems. So if he kind of brings that spontaneity and the comfort zone with the professionalism, that severe professionalism that I love about that man.
Absolutely.
God hats off. Let him win in life. I just want that.
Both of you.
Genuinely want him to win in
genuinely
life.
want both of you to win.
So happy.
Yes.
Every single time I sing that song, you've seen it. That's a joy.
And I think, the kind of chemistry that you both share is not even like planned.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of times what happens is a female singer and a male singer on stage, wrong timing al nodirtare, avag iವ್ರು ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ. A lot of times, this mishap happens. But with him, I don't know.
Absolutely.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಬ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ at the same time you have an eye contact, and the same time you
We know what you're doing. We know what you're doing. Absolutely. I'm talking about somebody who is about 6-7 years elder than me, because most of the artists I've sung is senior, very senior. Biju Nair avaru irಬಹುದು. He's no more. But Chaudhaya shows are massive then. ಅಂತರ್ಧ್ವನಿ, ರುಣಾ ಸಿಗ್ದಾರ್, ಬಿಜು ನಾಯರ್ ಅವರದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so many artists. But then I was like 14-15 years old. It just, though I know I have the maturity, but the comfort. Shri Harsha Dhwani any day with any song, you know it.
I know.
We both have sung in your show.
Yes.
My favorite is Kiravani. That's my favorite. Valayos. That one is also Abbani. I was like, bro, that's sudden choreo, bro. What is this? Ano anta. Behind the stage, he's like, hey, ಚಶ್ಮಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಚಶ್ಮಾ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಬಾಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವಾಚ್. ವಿ ಡಿಡ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಾಕು.
Super.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That's it. We don't do extra also. We don't take extra also. But we are born extra. That we know.
So who are the other playback singers, in that celebrity list that, you
Ashwin
have
Sharma.
worked with, Ankita?
Oh, I have worked with.
Yes.
Chitramma. She's a dream. She's a dream. She's a dream. She's sitting here, okay? She's like, sit here. I'm like, bro, I don't even look like my age. Just adopt me. I'll come off.
I know.
You have a Carnatic tamburi at home. I will get my Hindustani tamburi. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗುರು. ನನಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಗುರು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ. I would feel that if I had my way.
Did you get an opportunity to sing with Dr. SPB sir also? No?
ಅರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆನೂ ಇತ್ತು
I wish I'd known.
to meet Ustad Zakir Hussain himself. I feel he was gone too soon.
Yes.
I feel.
But you
never got an opportunity. Never. I did happen to meet Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Sahab, the king of Sarod. I happened to meet Hariharan ji himself in Bombay during the time of Rising Star.
Oh, Shankar Mahadevan sir, of course.
Oh, he's... Monali Thakur, Diljit Dosanjh. Siddharth Shukla when he was alive.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was for one of the award functions. But I was so bored. Imagine, award shows are 1000x larger than here. So time, as I said, time sense. So raat ke 2-3 baje, our shooting happened at 4 in the morning. So 2-3 baje, we are in the caravan, I'm roaming around, I'm jobless. I start singing Sarega Bani Dani Bhagare Dani Bha. And he happens to hear. He's like, nice, Anta. He just gave that. Ashte, that is my only memory of Siddharth Shukla ji. And I was jobless. What do I do? Galai ek hi cheez bacha. You hear yourself, correct yourself. Ashte saku in that moment. So
Of course, you have sung with Rajesh Krishnan sir.
Of course.
Alla?
VP Avru
VP.
as well.
Yeah.
Avru as well. Yeah, I mean, VP sir ಅವ್ರದೇನೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಿಂಗಾರ ಸಿರಿ sung with him. It's a whole different energy only. It's really nice. It's really nice. There's so many more. So many more. Rajesh sir is someone who I really, really look up to as an artist. The timbre, the texture, unmatchable. Unmatchable.
Yes.
And एक second, एक मुहूर्त के लिए doesn't, मतलब off होते ही नहीं है. He can't go flat, he can't go sharp. Never. I have never seen that man go flat or sharp. Never.
ಅಂಕಿತ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದ್ದಾಗನು ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಯು ನೋ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ಯು ಟು ಬಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫನ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ವೈ ಸೋ in the playback singing sector? I'd really want to know this because why are we wasting out on this voice or not utilizing it or underutilizing the voice that we're supposed to be using it for
I keep
many
on questioning
more?
myself every single day when I wake up. Like Govinda Kodrappa. I keep on questioning myself every single day. You have खुद को भी पूछती हूँ वेंकटेश्वरा के नाने के गुरु such nice resources there. It's in the tender age. Post 30-35
It's not even like
ಕೈ ನೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It's going to be tough post 30-35 because you're getting old. The timber won't stay for long. The timber that we desire. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲು. Right? Because when you're in that roaring, that जब शेरनी के जब वो फेज में हो, करो जो करना है, उखाड़ो जो उखाड़ना है.
Correct.
Who's going to stop you? You are unstoppable. I feel अभी तो unstable होने लगी हूँ with the unstoppability. It just, sometimes life feels very blank because we live with one thing and that is hope, man.
True.
Motivation and hope. कभी कभी लगता है that riyaz or that sadhana that I'm doing every day, where is this heading to? I question that myself every single time. क्यों? Why am I doing riyaz? Not for the commercial purpose. Of course, I want people to hear me, but then
No, but
I want people to hear me.
yeah. Because I feel, you also have a very distinct voice, that can suit many heroines, like it is for many of these artists, who are actually behind the mics today. So, I wish, and I pray that, you get more
I
opportunities.
wish I get answers for this. Honestly, I want answers for this. I don't know who's going to give me that.
Is it like you need to actually go request the music directors, or what is it
That's
that
what I have
that
done
is-
always. Whenever kabhi bhi mauka mila hai, I have.
Huh.
But I don't know. I feel sometimes they already have that mindset, that mind frame, that no, we don't want her. We already have this. She's already made, or that particular singer has made that song hit. We'll only go for that. She'll again make it hit. What's the point of bringing a new voice? राजनीति सिर्फ राजनीति में नहीं है. राजनीति यहाँ पे भी राज्य
exactly
में
what I
पड़े
wanted to
है.
Mm.
ರಾಜನೀತಿ is on active mode. Sleep dormant ಅಲ್ಲ, active mode ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Politics is massive here. Not in this every field, of course, but problem is us musicians are so emotionally driven. Sometimes we forget the balance of practicality and emotional mentality. And then we have to, once we come back into that sense, I'm like, ayo.
And what do you have to say about this recent controversy? I mean, I don't want to really take names there, but then if there is some kind
I
of
really want to check up on her. I hope she's okay. Honestly, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ.
yeah, if the lyrics are not really accurate, and they blame the singers also for it.
I would blame
found
the lyricist. Why would you blame the singer? Singers
no,
are doing the
but
job
that's
of...
exactly what I mean, very
Unreasonable.
unruly, unreasonable to blame anybody and everybody. When this controversy happened, they even said that probably she was offered a lot more money, which is why she has agreed to sing something which is so sleazy. But for me, I feel every artist is now actually in dearth of opportunities. Ad bandaga, would you have that kind of
Item song is fine. Tapori songs are okay. Look at Bidi Jalale, look at Ulala. उसका भी मतलब अलग लेवल का है, कोई बात नहीं, it's fine, it's okay.
but do you really have that kind of luxury to choose and then say
Yes.
today
It's called self-respect.
okay
It's called putting your feet down. It's called
Yes.
rejecting the song that.
but how fair
It's
is
called
it to
inducing
blame on a singer because
you can't. I won't blame the singer at all. I won't.
I was finding it a little unreasonable
I won't
because
blame the
she
singer at
has picked up the song probably not even realizing the intensity of the controversy that it underwent and sometimes whatever you get ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ
Why
ಅಂತ
can't you blame
ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
No offense, but why can't you blame in the production the
Yeah.
production team?
yeah but why
Just saying.
Mm.
Because I feel sorry for her. She is a very
because
celebrated
I don't
vocalist.
think any singer today has that kind of luxury to choose, pick and present because whatever comes your way is all like a prasada that you need to really take and then deliver.
Luxury
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು-
equals to majburi.
Hmm.
That is us. We are ready to work for 5,000. We are ready to work for 7,000. That's how the industry pays. I am being honest here today.
Hmm.
I have worked for such kind of projects. I have been equally belted and blasted by my dad saying that why have you stooped yourself so low for this? That's when I remind myself what Ravi Kishan sir had said.
Hmm.
You run over the name first.
Hmm.
Fame will roll in. First run over the name. नाम कमाओ पहले. बाद में मनी धनलक्ष्मी खुद आएंगे ही. I know it's everyday wait. But people have waited, no? Manoj Bajpayee ji waited. Pankaj Tripathi ji waited. हम तो हर दिन इसी पे ही जी रहे कि मैं एम्पैथी सिंपैथी क्रिएट करना मेरा टाइम नहीं है. If you think I am worth, you're gonna find my name, you're gonna find my Instagram username, my Facebook account, सब verified ticks में ढूंढो, खुद करो. I have done my job also to ask music directors, wishing them on a certain festival and saying, sir, praying on this beautiful occasion, I would love to work with you again.
Hmm.
So it is also their responsibility and the respect to reciprocate and respond to the messages. फिर लगता है कि नहीं ये तो फिर पूछा करने आई है माने he's come here seeking attention. No, हमें भी काम चाहिए. I don't mind asking for work. I have done that myself multiple times. But kabhi you're tired. You're just tired. Kabhi you're just like Narayana ನೀವೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಗಿದೆ, I am tired. And when people say you're not doing that well physically, little do they know mentally we are not doing that great.
correct
Everything works here. It's just this. It is, see, you have two options. Either you are Mushu or you are Shifu. You decide. Or you can be both. Where you can roar also, where you can be silent also. You decide. But as I said, I mean, movies are different, reality is different. Even if you take those multiple quotes and put it in your head, enta work ಆಗುತ್ತೆ for motivation. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ will you put motivation?
True.
Right.
I hope people who are watching this at least get to remember the priceless voice that we have today in the industry, and then I hope and pray and wish that you get a lot more to sing for many actresses, and then we get to be the audience for all those of your songs.
You will be sitting at the backstage, man. Full 8K HD
achha
quality you will see. The stuff.
You will. I mean, you have done really well. But Andru, adillo one part we feel that somewhere we want to hear her more often than we do. Today I will go on air to say that, document it, that I always see that you have all the qualities of Kaushiki Chakraborty. ಆ ಥರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ probably even Shreya has hinted now. Shreya Ghoshal has
किसी लोग का यहाँ पे seriously लिखा रहता है. I strongly feel
So I think yeah, that's I
श्रेया
would
जी
love
का
to
तो वैसा
see
था ही,
every artist in that zone of being comfortable in
but
their own skin and do what they love to do and
95%.
educate the
Correct,
audience
correct.
and uplift the audience to their level instead of always catering to their requirement and then just feeding them with whatever they like to hear. Churalia for 100 years also is fine, but then what
Somebody's
she
already
is
made that mark, no?
yeah.
तो और कितनी बार सुनोगे भाई?
So somebody else has to uplift you to a different zone, and I think you can educate the audience only by doing all these things independently. So probably that's
if
why
their
he
ears
chose
are
to be
open
what
to get educated about it, no?
I mean,
If they are
it's a
they're
slow
ready
process
to.
also, it's okay. I mean, out of 100, so even if 2% of them are benefited out of it, and I'm sure slowly but surely it'll all spread.
You're just talking about the lyrics and other things. We get very people judge you for what you wear, what you do, how you dress up. Everything comes in this industry, or any industry for that matter. तो मेंटल हेल्थ कहाँ जाएगा? वी लिव फॉर दैट. नेमदी, पीस, शांत. हमें शांत चाहिए. जंग मत लड़ो खुद से, दूसरों से. जस्ट डोंट. व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I really admire your journey from where you began to what you are today, Ankita. I think you're undoubtedly one of the topmost artists any organizer or any other music director would love to work with.
Praying
I
that
mean quality beku antandre we know that there's this girl in
I am
that
ready to surrender that quality to you. Just surrender the respect back, reciprocate back.
Yeah.
Not just me, any artist, treat them with respect.
Yeah.
We heal you guys. Nothing to like be so haughty about it or ಕೊಬ್ಬು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ. nothing on that. We genuinely heal you people. If God has literally chosen us to surrender into that art form and master that art form, which will take minimum 21 janmas as a mortal, it takes a lot of work. I forgot what is family life. I forgot what friends are. I forgot what does chaddi dost mean. I forgot what is eating in peace with so many things in your head. I forgot what is. I have driven everybody nuts. I have driven myself nuts. I don't even know. I have learned how to get back on my feet after losing one of the most precious persons in my life at a tender age. Little things matter. Little things hurt.
True.
People being sensitive in this universe is completely off. They don't know what it is. First learning that itself has to come, no? ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಬರೀ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಎಲ್ಲನೇ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಭಜ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ yeah, every mass entertainment, for instance, or any organizations, the reason I'm so comfortable here with you, from the rehearsals to the song list to taking care of the artist, every single thing is done so smoothly.
Thank you. Thanks.
You're one of those very few organizers who people love working with. Hi, I am here. Hi. I'm not here flattering you, but
No.
it is so comfortable working with you. Beyond comfortable, actually.
It is so easy to work with easy artists as well. I mean, easy, I'm not saying in the sense that they come free of cost. They come, they do their work with utmost sincerity, dedication, and to the best of their capacity. And what more do I need? I mean, it's likewise. I think working with you all is also such a pleasurable journey for me too. I mean, we choose you because it's easy to trust somebody who comes with that kind of 100% commitment. And what more do we need? What more do we need?
The thing is, somehow one kanasu bantu. I think me and Shrihasha should start releasing good music just through Instagram, because since it's trending now.
Yeah.
ಹಂಗೇನೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೊಲಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yeah.
Do it,
Yes.
Because he's a very underrated artist. Correct me if I am wrong. People just see him as a performer. Macha, put him behind the microphone on a recording studio. He will give you 460 hertz, let alone 420 hertz, which is the universal hertz. He'll give you beyond. He's that. So yeah.
We shall plan a lot more for you, Harsha, and all of us, for that matter. So coming to the end of it, we all adore you for your body of work that you have actually
Thank you.
contributed to the music industry. How would you want your voice to be remembered? For the technique, for the emotion, or something much deeper?
Raw, unfiltered, natural, original, emotions. So I think respecting the romance and the Natya Shastra and embracing those is what I try surrendering whenever I sing. And surrendering is something which I do, which I think he and I will understand that. Ashte.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's deep.
That's it. I want nothing else. I want him to hear it. Every single time I'm on stage, I pray to 4 people. Venkateshwara, my uncle, MS Amma, and Dr. Balmuli Krishna. So I think the voice that I want people to remember through is surrender. Just that surrender. Ashte.
Aha.
Raw, unfiltered surrender. That's it.
So beautiful.
I hate auto-tune, just coming to the technical side. I hate that. When people start inducing that, it is like you're doing Botox to the skin for a younger skin that is not required.
My God.
That's how auto-tune
That's
sounds.
deep. Again.
Yeah, why do you think the kind of motivation I go for is my sa has to sound like sa? It can't be sa or sa. That's it. That sa has to be sa. 45 minutes I will sing sa, but my sa has to come out as sa. Take it or leave it. Unfiltered, raw, surrender with humility.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time, Ankita, and thanks for taking us through your journey from your childhood till date,
Till date.
and then making us also, relive, and hopefully you also relive those moments, by narrating the stories of your childhood till date and your musical journey. It was wonderful talking to you, and I really wish, hope, pray, bless that you get a lot more projects, and we get to hear you a lot more in the playback singing circuit, and also in the live stages, and also on the live stages, and
I think for good original compositions.
yes,
The artists, hats off to the artists who make original compositions. Would love
yes.
to collab or just make one of my own if my circuit breaks again into something nice. Why just me winning in life? I want all the good artists winning in their
absolutely.
own lives. Anyone.
Absolutely.
Wishing them the best. लोग सबका भला करे पर मेरा पहले प्लीज.
Of course.
ये तो हम मांगेंगे ही कृष्णा से. आप सबका भला करो पहले मेरा.
Thank you so much.
So much.